Best deals.
1. Sponge mop. Refill made of special PVA material which has super water absorbency. It absorbs water 10 times of its weight and makes floor completely dry. Has easy water squeezing system. An extensible aluminum handle. It's used for wet mopping. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Fan cleaner. Equipped with unique cleaning head, designed to clean ceiling fan without using ladder, walls, baseboards, moldings, windows, blinds, tile, floor. Use a microfiber mop to remove stains without harming surfaces. Excellent for cleaning washable wallpaper, baseboards, woodwork, doors, wall coverings, and baseboards. Use a microfiber mop to keep your floors dust-free and spotless. Or clean windows before dusting them. Use on any flat surface as possible, similar to windows, vinyl, laminate, hardwood, and tile floors. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Scrub pad. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dust collector. Adopt 3 roller brushes to clean blind angles in 360 degrees but don't hurt the ground. Fits for wood, plastic, tiles, cement floor and so on. Fully enclosed storage. No suspended dust. Ensures home cleaning and family health. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cleaning brush. The wide brush head offers expansive coverage, ensuring quicker cleaning sessions by covering more area with each stroke. Ideal for large surfaces like patios and bathroom floors, engineered with high quality, stiff bristles that maintain their shape and effectiveness over time. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Coconut broom. Has a finely combed natural coir bristles to remove extremely fine dust. Comfortable broom for erect sweeping. Best big handle kharata for thorough cleaning of outside area, with sturdy brush with strong wooden handle makes cleaning easy. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Vacuum cleaner. Includes an extra brush designed specifically for cleaning sofas, curtains, and tight crevice. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning sessions with the removable dust box feature. Simply detach, empty, and reattach for uninterrupted cleaning power, ensuring your vacuum cleaner is always ready for action. Features an adjustable head design, allowing you to customize the angle for easier cleaning in any situation. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cleaning brush. With long handle has 3 different high-quality cleaning heads, bristle brush, sponge and microfiber pad. The hard bristle brush is suitable for stubborn dirt cleaning on floor tiles, and the sponge head has super absorption capacity, which can be used to clean the stains on finer surfaces. The microfiber pad is made of soft material, which is very suitable for cleaning brush for dusting, glass, walls and other surfaces. Well-designed bristle brush head for deep cleaning tiles, floors, lawn, walls, toilets, and tubs. A gentle sponge head for delicate surfaces, and a soft microfiber pad for mirrors, countertop, glass, and sinks. Our brush has got you covered. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Mop. The spin mop stick rod is designed to stand upright on its own. This feature allows for easy storage and minimizes the need to bend over while mopping, reducing strain on your back and making it more convenient to use. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Carpet lint and hair remover. By simply applying friction to the appropriate surfaces, the brush generates a static charge that pulls unwanted fur and dirt. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Fan cleaning duster. Suitable for cleaning dust in car, computer, air conditioning, TV and other household appliances. Cleaning the dust from sofa, table, cabinet, etc. can be inserted into any corner and wipe the dust almost anywhere. Fan cleaning mop is washable, soft and durable, not easy to fall out, can remove the duster from the handle for easy washing. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Steam mop swipe. With a super quick 20-second heat up time and 1300 powerful steam, mop your floors spotlessly clean in one swipe. With a 5 meters long cord, Nexlove Steam Mop Swipe provides the freedom to clean without the hassle of constantly switching outlets or overextending yourself. Transition seamlessly from hard floors to carpets with our carpet glider attachment, ensuring a thorough cleaning throughout your home. Steam naturally sanitizes surfaces, killing 99.99% of bacteria and germs, and deodorizes floors, making it an environment-friendly choice. It helps you keep your house not only germ-free but also chemical-free so you do not have to tolerate any strong odor. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Garden Broom. Comes with 3 interchangeable heads, providing versatility for various tasks such as leaf cleanup, soil leveling, and general garden maintenance. Constructed with durable steel, the rake set ensures longevity and sturdiness, making it suitable for demanding tasks in both home and park gardening environments. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cleaning Brush. Sweep away dirt and debris with ease using the 18-inch wide brush head, providing you with maximum coverage in a single stroke. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Triangle Shape Fan Cleaning Duster. Absorbent and high level of release, suitable for flow finish applications in commercial and industrial environments. High quality refill is made of microfiber for streak-free cleaning. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Vacuum Cleaner. Enjoy the versatility of a 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, easily switch between handheld and stick modes to clean various surfaces, from carpets and hardwood floors to car interiors and furniture. Cleaner for home use comes with a 2-year warranty, giving you peace of mind knowing you have a reliable and durable vacuum cleaner for years to come. Vacuum cleaner is versatile and can be used for both home and car cleaning, featuring a detachable handheld unit with various accessories for tackling different cleaning tasks. Suction power for effective cleaning from this car vacuum cleaner, while the washable filter ensures a clean and healthy environment for your family. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Window Screen Cleaner. Can be wet use and dry use. Dry use for window dust cleaning and hair removal. Wet use for removing most dirt and grime. The window screen cleaner made of environmentally friendly PE material, lightweight and durable. It is a multifunctional and multipurpose window cleaning kit with a detachable handle, with hook for easy storage and space saving. You can quickly clean hair on the surfaces of sofa, carpet, sheet, clothes. It's easy to clean this household clearing tool after use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Electric Spin Mop. The Spin Mop wet mops hard floor of home and kitchen floor quickly. Perfect on floor tiles, wooden floor, laminate floor, marble floor, water spray and mopping. Simply press and hold the spray button on the handle to spray water and mop. The mopper fabric disc works with 150 rpm speed for effective mopping, has 180-degree swivel handle and 2-step adjustable extension rod for easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. V-shaped corner floor cleaning brush. The stainless steel rod is lightweight and easy to clean. The magic broom brush bar can be locked with a threaded joint for easy rotation and fixation. There is a hanging hole at the top of the handle, and the brush can be stored on the bathroom wall. Space-saving design, convenient for next use. Long-handled brush for cleaning can use the back of the scraper bar to scrub sewage after sweeping. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Flat Mop. Effortlessly squeezes itself, making excess water a thing of the past. Experience the joy of hands-free squeezing, turning your cleaning routine into a delightful dance rather than a chore. This is a versatile cleaning tool that combines the advantages of a water spray, squeezing and a flat mop, adapts to every surface: marble, tiles, glass, wood, or concrete. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces, with best-in-class clearance of 5 cm. It can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces, giving best satisfaction of thorough and versatile cleaning. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. Add glass cleaner for cleaning glass, floor cleaner liquid, hand wash for removing oil, or even an essential oil in water for giving an awesome fragrance in your home. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Stick broom. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Electric scrubber. Product link is given in the 22nd link. Thanks for watching.